Alright, so here's an update with the Power Destroyer. I'm currently not so much restoring, just fixing and cleaning. So far, his head has been cleaned. As you can tell, he looks much better. Cannon has been cleaned. The little glass panel on the front has been added on. The green screen has been cleaned up as well. And of course, this piece has been fixed. Of course, there's still a visible crack, but it shouldn't matter too much. Cleaned up the whole shell. Super clean now. Antenna's been readjusted back to like how it needs to be. Internal mechs have been worked on. All gears inside of the for the walking have been replaced. Side gear replaced as well. And the belt for the cannon to spin has been replaced. This is the old one. But here he is in action. And there you have it. So far, just gotta clean up his feet and his arms, and from there he should be ready for sale. So if anyone's interested, drop a comment.